Hello and welcome to LibreCAD tutorial channel. Today I want to draw Google logo. Okay, I think it is Google is very famous in the world. Okay, for the first, please activate some snap functions. There are three snap on endpoint, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Okay, select circle, center radius, and type the radius is 50 in the box, and left click on the screen to put the circle, right click to escape. Okay, 50, and then okay, use parallel line tool, select parallel and type the distance for parallel is 20. Number 1, middle points 1, left click inside the circle. Okay, right click to escape. Now draw this lines. Okay, for first draw a straight line, use 2 points tool. Left click at the top of the circle to the bottom of the circle. Right click to escape, right click again, and now select the line and select rotate tool. Left click at the center of our circle, left click at the reference point. Okay, okay, and yes, correct the angle 45 and select multiple copies 7. Click OK. Okay, now we can delete the diagonal and horizontal, the vertical and horizontal, sorry. Okay. Okay, next draw a horizontal line from the center of our circle. Select 2 points. Left click at the center of our circle to the right side. Okay, right click to escape, right click again. Okay, for the next draw this part. Use parallel line, select parallel. Type the distance in the box 10. Okay, to the upside and to the bottom side. Right click to escape. Okay, use 2 points tool to connect the lines. Right click to escape, right click again. Okay, now clean the line. Select trim tool, trim, left click at the circle, the line, right click again, left click at the circle inside and left click at the line you want to trim. Okay, right click to escape. Now we can delete this one and then use divide tool. Select oh, we need this one, sorry. Now use trim tool again, trim to extend the line. Left click at the circle at the outside and left click at the line we want to trim. We want to extend. I mean, right click to escape. Okay, now okay, now I think it's okay. Okay, now time to give color for our drawing. Okay, select tool 3 points tool, add the 3 points. Okay, left click for the first, second and third. Okay, right click to escape. Now select 2 points, draw line manually. right click, select 3 points, okay, right click, select 2 points again, okay, right click to escape. Now we can select all the shape we have created before. Okay, you have to select from left to right like this. Remember, left to right. Okay, and then select Head tool, mark solid fill, okay, and click OK. We got the color. Okay, press ESC or escape on your keyboard, and now select the color by click it, okay, and select attributes and change the color into red. Click OK. Yes, okay. Okay, for the next we use same method. Use 3 points, left click, left click, left click, right click again, select again 3 points, left click, left click, left click, right click. Now select 2 points, draw a line manually, right click to escape, left click, right click to escape. Now select the shape, okay, select from left to right. Okay, next select Head tool, mark solid fill box, and click OK. Change the color, so left click the color and select attributes. Okay, select change the color into yellow, click OK. Yes, press escape on your keyboard, repeat the action again. Okay, select 3 points, left click again, left click, select 3 points tool again. You can right click to select the tool quickly, left click and left click, okay, right click to escape. Now select 2 points by clicking right click and select 2 points more quickly. Right click, left click, right click, select the shape by left to right, select from left to right like this, and then select Head tool, mark solid fill, click OK. Now change the color, press C before from on your keyboard, escape on your keyboard, and select attributes and change the color green, dark green maybe. Okay, now select again 3 points, but we have to activate this tool, this snap on entity. Left click and left click for the second and left click for the third, right click to escape. Now use 3 points again, left click and left click again, right click to escape. Now do use 2 points, left click. I think we okay. We don't need 2 points, sorry. I think we should delete all the lines, we don't need it anymore. Okay, now we got the shape. Okay, for next select trim tool, make sure the okay, left click, okay, left click again and left click and left click. Use trim tool to left click and left click. Okay, right click to escape. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, we need to draw again this part. Select 3 points, left click and left click at anywhere. Yes, left click, right click to escape. Now we can delete this one. Okay, now we will try to give heads or color for this shape. Okay, select heads tool and mark solid fill and click OK. Oh, it's success. Okay, change the color, select the color and select attributes. Okay, change the color into blue, maybe blue. Click OK, press AC on the keyboard. Okay. Yes, okay. I think we have finished our job for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you can support us with click your subscribe tool. Thank you very much. See you in next video. Bye.